So what is digital marketing? Well, for starters, let's understand what marketing is. You've probably seen billboards, TV ads, radio ads, even people going around door to door. Here around in Charlotte, I'm pretty sure you've seen it. You know, an airplane goes around and flies with their billboard behind it. So what marketing is, you're trying to get your message out there to get in front of customers for them to buy your product. Or marketing is where you're trying to get your message out there to create brand awareness. Now there's paid and then there's organic digital marketing. And how I would describe organic is that there's no cost to it, but there's also an upside from it. So you could do this by writing long, lengthy, well-written blogs and have traffic going to your page. And this helps you rank higher in the search engines, or what people call SEO. Or you could create a TikTok video and you have a high probability chance of somebody seeing your video and it going viral, and it drives more traffic to your other content. Or you could help increase your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or your YouTube page, or you make videos like this and you post it on LinkedIn. So this helps create a fan base, helps create subscribers, helps create viewerships and a long-term play, but it helps also come down to where you're getting your customers from. And then there's paid digital marketing, which I prefer because you always get a faster return on results in getting those clients. And there's influencer marketing, where you pay somebody that has a high following on Instagram, for example, and you pay them to talk about your product or service. Or you could pay yourself to be on a really well-known podcast and have them talk about that on there, or host a video on there. And then you could do the traditional stuff, you know, social media marketing, which I really love. Sometimes we get people that are spending thousands or tens of thousands of dollars, and you're just taking that money and you're making more money. You know, like digital marketers that know how to do their job really well, they're like today's money marketers. You know, like you could take this money today and make it 10 times more tomorrow if you're doing it really well. You know, you could do the classic Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. There's even TikTok ads now. The coolest thing about digital marketing is that there's relatively low barrier to enter it. You know, once you understand it and you know about it, it's easy to create a lot of content, put money behind it, and get those traction awareness and turn it into results. And now you're making more money on top of that. So that's the only thing that I'm always talking about when I'm trying to educate my customers, when I'm telling them, listen, you could take this video and what are you going to do with it? Well, the next thing you have to do is get it in front of the customers. And the only way you do that is a faster return on results and spending some money behind it on these digital ads, or getting it to micro influencers in the area and having people know about your product, spend their money on you, and now you're making more money. So hope that helps out.